They're asking about Grimsire Farrakhan, master theologian, Kemet Prince, founder of coexistencism, the voice of the return. There comes a time in every war when the banner must change. It's not to forget the past, but to declare where we now stand. After careful contemplation on our theology and our mission, you decide if it's holy or something, but I'm just grateful to be here. Grateful that you've allowed me to be here. The name Postman Truth, it once served a purpose, but now it's too ordinary, too disconnected from the battlefield we've entered, a battlefield of the soul. We're no longer just sharing information. We are building a waystation between confusion and divine clarity, a checkpoint between despair and destiny. This isn't rebranding. This is repositioning in the war for spiritual truth. This channel is for the descendants of those who survived the transatlantic slave trade, for the seekers in America who now long for their spiritual return to the West, to Africa, for the Jews, the Muslims, the Christians who know deep down God with abbreviation is one. Our new name must reflect this mission. It must sound like purpose. It must move like prophecy. It must feel like war for the Holy One. So we ask, if Grimsire were born under the son of Kemet, studying Torah by firelight, and called to speak with the rhythm of returning ancestors, what would he name this channel? So I bring to you the Waystation of One.